this is nice dark black piece, so beautiful. See the work? Pashmina bottoms with patch, fancy lace, and beautiful net dupatta with heavy border. Very beautiful piece, very beautiful.